Ahead of Bihar polls, BJP today launched a big attack on Congress MP Rahul Gandhi over Article 370 purge in Jammu and Kashmir. Addressing BJP workers virtually, party president Jagat Prakash Nadda slammed Rahul Gandhi and accused him of speaking in Pakistan's language. Nadda said that while the entire India celebrated abrogation of Article 370, Rahul Gandhi claimed that Modi government has done injustice with the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Upping the ante further, Nadda said even Imran Khan used Rahul Gandhi's anti-India remark to defame India at the United Nations. In September 2019, Pakistan had quoted Rahul Gandhi in its dossier for UN human rights body to slam curfew in the valley while Article 370 purge.
भारत में जो विपक्ष है वह विपक्ष दिशाहीन हो चुका है। वह मोदी जी का विरोध करते करते देश का विरोध करने लगा है और उसकी बुद्धि में यह भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। धारा 370 हम हटाते हैं, सारे देश में खुशी की लहर आती है, एक देश में एक निशान, एक विधान, एक संविधान, एक प्रधान तय बन जाते हैं। कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक भारत एक होता है, एकीकृत होता है। राहुल गांधी दलील देते हैं कि श्रीनगर के लोगों के साथ अन्याय हुआ और उनकी दलील लेकर के इमरान खान यूएन में जाते हैं और राहुल गांधी की बात को कहते हैं। ये भारत का रिप्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं या पाकिस्तान का रिप्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं?
Joining us, Kamaljeet Sandhu, reporting live from Delhi. Kamaljeet, take us through the politics that's now brewing again over Jammu and Kashmir Article 370 purge in Bihar. It's a Bihar State Assembly election, but here Article 370 is spoken about extensively among all the leaders. The BJP, even Rahul Gandhi, they're countering. What's the update there on Article 370 with regards to Bihar politics?
Well, Kashmir has figured in Bihar politics. That is a surprising bit. Earlier, Mehbooba Mufti had hit out at BJP, saying every time that BJP needs to speak about a certain issue, they bring up Kashmir and Article 370. But besides that, it's Rahul Gandhi, which has now figured with the BJP. Remember earlier when Shashi Tharoor had made those particular remarks at Lahore Literature Festival, again the BJP targeted Rahul, calling him Rahul Lahori. Now is the time again that Rahul Gandhi seems to be in the cynosure, seems to be a key person to be attacked by the BJP, saying when the country is speaking on one particular side, Rahul Gandhi is towing another line. So nationalism is one of those issues. Remember, the Prime Minister himself, not only did he speak about Article 370, he spoke about Galwan, he spoke about the Bihar regiment. So this is politics at all levels. Nothing is going to be spared, not Rahul Gandhi and not anybody else. But clearly here the attack is on Rahul Gandhi, and JP Nadda has been hitting out very, very harsh and very sharply at the Congress Vice President, and very clearly at this point of time, this is politics at the fore. Remember, Congress is going to be looking at attacking back at them. But yes, Rahul Gandhi has time again either been tweeting or speaking about these particular issues. And again, it is a war of words, but it's which way Bihar will be impacted is something which needs to be seen.
Right. Thank you very much, Kamaljeet, for joining us with those details there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.